Kuroba, and it's like I think it's a training toy. Let me check. Yeah, it's definitely a training toy. So let's get started. I also have scissors in case we need it. Okay, so let's start off with this one, right?
Yeah, so started emotion. One has won by one. Look at that. This guy. That is beautiful.
Whatever this is, it's kind of cool. It's a badge. It's a tiny thing. I'm not sure what this is, but it comes from whoever this guy is. Here, let me show you.
This. Yeah, guys, you.
Okay, now let's get these stuff out.
Can you listen to me?
Yes. I got it out. These are there. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. I have no idea how to use this, but here's the instructions.
I want to like that.
This is what it does. It's like a box. I'm making a box. And here you go. It's a weird box. And there you have, that's how you make a weird box.
Training fire.
What is this?
Fire.
Training box.
Fire.
Okay, now let's see what we have to do. Okay, no instructions.
No way I hit.
Okay, fold it out into a flat position. I understand. Let's push it down. It's in a flat position because you wouldn't get too dirty. How do I do this? We're gonna have to come back to this one. Okay, now it's this one. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. Oh my goodness, these are cool. I have no idea what unicorn food is. I like the sound of it. It's surprise bag. Another surprise bag. Which is a weird shape. Okay, I want to start with this one. It's not real though. It's not real, okay?
Yeah.
It's like a slime. I think we're making slime. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? I don't know. It looks cool. Ooh. And a golden spoon.
Golden spoon.
So we get kitty cat. I think it's a container. I think we're making slime here, guys. Oh my goodness. There's a surprise in here. Okay, now we're going to try and make the slime. And what came in the packet was this green cup. Glittery. Now we're going to start making it. Wrong paper. We're gonna need some water. Finally, now we can continue. Use this special unicorn thing. Okay, I think that's enough. I need to pour in the unicorn. I need to put all the unicorn food. Now we need to put this lid back on. Now I need to shake it.
Shake it.
Hey, I need to shake it for 1 minute. I need to shake it with a spoon. maybe I need to shake it more. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Ooh, you didn't know. I'm gonna have to touch it.
Because he's so cute.
No, not ready yet. I'm gonna have to say. I might have to leave it for 1 minute.
Come back to it.
I think it's time now. Can I open it?
We made some slime! You are so glad!
What are you saying?
I'm saying about the slime. Turn into slime!
I think there's a part in it that didn't get mixed well. Should I just? I'm gonna mix it for a while.
Okay.
Yeah, they didn't get mixed well on it.
Oh, we can just taste it.
Make the slime up.
I'm going to take control inside it.
I didn't mix it well. I should have like stirred it first. I think I know what that happens for. Unicorn magic. Unicorn what? What do we do? What do we do with this stuff? I think it makes like the thing more pretty. Or something. Makes it more cool. Unicorn magic and unicorn. What's this? Unicorn magic. Oh, it's like gold tissue. Yeah. This is like very delicate paper. Oh, okay, I'll put it. It's amazing. I like one of the paper, but it makes your hands very. Oh my goodness, my hands are golden. It's actually feeling really good. And you can store your slime in here. You don't know what this is. Pick up your slime and then you just put it in here for storage. I think mine is overflowing. How much slime do I even need? And the good thing is, you can hang this on your backpack. Okay, so I figured out how to do this. First you do this, and then you do this.